the hole. Let's cook some country ribs. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome once again to my barbecue pit. What I have here today is probably the worst examples of country ribs I've ever seen. I got these at Aldi's and I'm not happy with them. They're not ribs. There's nothing country about them. They are pieces of pork cut from the pork shoulder. Tough cut of meat, but they look like ribs because they're cut in the shape of ribs. So what we're going to do is, well, the whole idea of this cook today is I wanted to cook these country ribs because they cook faster than spare ribs or baby back ribs. And I wanted to make these to showcase this because I want to use this barbecue sauce, Bacon Bourbon BBQ sauce from Christie's Barn. My buddy Tango Joe sent me this and I can't wait to try it. Bacon Bourbon BBQ sauce. But first we got to get these things cooking. And we're going to do what we always do. I got a brand new bottle of Sang stir fry oil. We're going to drop some Sang stir fry oil down on those so-called country ribs. There's like some tiny little pieces of meat here. And there's some that sort of look like ribs. You know, when you got a brand new bottle of Sangs, it doesn't come out real good at first. It's okay, it's no problem. And I got some rub that my buddy Rob sent me. This is a Big Papa's all-purpose rub. We're gonna hit these country ribs with some Big Papa's all-purpose barbecue rub. This is a nice rub that Rob sent me. I really like it. I've used it a couple times now and it's a great rub for barbecue. It's gonna be great on these so-called country ribs. We'll get them all covered with that stuff and then we'll get them on the fire. And I got a couple of pieces of mesquite wood that I'm going to put on there for some light smoke. Those have to cook until they get to about 140 degrees internal temperature, and at that point we can glaze them with that Bacon Bourbon BBQ sauce, which I'm really looking forward to trying. Tango Joe sent me. Anyway, let me get these rubbed down and get them on the grill. I'll show you what that looks like and then we'll start cooking, so stay tuned. My country ribs are on the fire. I've got some mesquite wood producing a light smoke. I'm going to put the cover on that. Just let it rock and roll in there for about 30 minutes. Then we'll flip them. Then it'll go another 30 minutes. Probably take about an hour, hour and a half to cook these things up. And then we'll be ready to glaze them with some of this awesome barbecue sauce. So there's nothing left to do now but put the cover on and let them cook. See you in a little bit. It's been about 30 minutes. It's time to give my fake ribs a flip. I call them fake ribs. I should have said that. They're pieces of pork shoulder, but they're okay. It's okay. It's going to be fine. I'm going to flip them, cook them for another 30 on the other side. Didn't quite get that one flipped, did you? Get this one flipped over. Starting to look pretty smoky and good. And get them all flipped over. Cook them for another 30 minutes. And then we'll sauce them with that awesome barbecue sauce. That should be good. Oh boy. Yes, sir. It's going to be good. It's going to be good even though they're subpar pieces of pork. They're not the best. Not the best country ribs I've ever seen or cooked. Anyway, yeah. They're coming right along. As soon as they get done, we're gonna sauce them next, so stay tuned. Okay, we're about 45 minutes into this. Where's my brush? Darn it. Here it is. Okay. We're gonna sauce these ribs with that Bacon Bourbon BBQ sauce. I tasted this stuff. It's amazing. Look at that. It's thick and beautiful. We'll get them sauced up. Oh boy. Oh, Tango Joe, you've outdone yourself this time, buddy. Oh my gosh. Look at that sauce. That sauce is everything on these ribs because they're boneless, you know, they have no bone in them, so just putting the sauce on them is that's what's going to give them all their flavor. All coming from the sauce. Oh man, that's looking good. That's putting lipstick on a pig right there. That's making them look nice. Yeah, let me get them flipped over and glaze up the other side, and it'll be time to plate these up, take a taste, and drink a beer, so stay tuned. There, country ribs are done. There's the Frosty Root Boy Mug star of the show. here's today's beer. Now, you know, I talk a lot about Pliny the Elder, and Kevin sent me those 2 bottles of it, but let me tell you about this. This is Bell's Two Hearted Ale, an American IPA. It is 7.8% ABV. This Bell's Two Hearted Ale is as good as Pliny the Elder. It's not as good as, but it is good as Pliny. It's as good as an American IPA as you can get. It doesn't get much better than this. This is available in grocery stores nationwide. You don't have to go to California to get it. So that's what makes it, you know, special to me. Bell's Two Hearted Ale. Let's quaff the froth off it. Wow, that's really good. It's as good as Pliny. Pliny has more, I don't know, gravitas. I don't know how to say it. It has more, this is delicious. Absolutely delicious. Bell's Two Hearted Ale. That's good beer. Let me get some of this pork in my mouth. Stay tuned. All right, let me get a taste of some of this pork. How's that look? Don't look too bad for what it is. Let me get a piece of this. Oh, you know what I gotta tell you? Tango Joe also sent me this. This is caramelized onion blueberry chutney. Let me show you the jar. I got it in my thing there. I want to take a taste of this. This is wild blueberry, Maine blueberry, caramelized onion, rosemary chutney. I don't know how to serve this or how to eat it. I was thinking, you know, I would just eat it out of the jar, but that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm just going to take a spoonful of it and get it in my mouth. Oh man, that's amazing. That's excellent. Let me get a piece of this pork over here. Get a little piece of my barbecue pork, that barbecue sauce. Mmm. Ah, it's delicious. Yeah. Not bad. Chewing. Yeah. If you don't have a lot of time to spend, you don't want to make ribs, this is the way to go. Very tender and delicious pork. It's pork. But the bourbon bacon barbecue sauce and that chutney, I don't know what to say about that. It's like an onion lover's dream. Anyway, yeah, that's the video, babies. You know what I always say, give me some beer. Bell's Two Hearted Ale, excellent. Anyway, what I always say is, if you like this crap, please subscribe. If you don't, go on the iCard and check out a new channel I found. A lady to subscribe to me, and I went and checked out her channel. She's in Italy, and she's making all kinds of Italian delicacies, things that I love, like arancini and ravioli. You gotta go check out Mama Oxy in the iCard. Mama Oxy, go check her out. Subscribe to me, the Root Boy Cooks. Come back next week. We may not cook anything good, but we will drink a beer. This is one of the best beers on the planet, next to Pliny the Elder. Bell's Two Hearted Ale, available in grocery stores nationwide. You don't have to go to California to get it. That's the plus of having this. Anyway, babies, I'll see you next week. Bye!